Hey everybody, what's going on out there? This is Wakefield from True Online Wealth once again. And the subject of this video here, most struggling marketers, most newbie marketers, and some people have been marketing, for years and years. And the biggest problem most of them have, or the most common question that's being asked is, how do you get traffic to your website? So I started a new blog. It's like 6.5 months old, I think. I used to have another blog. My other blog, some of y'all might know me from moneyblog1.com. I ended up shutting it down, and I got out of the blogging game, about 2 years or a year and a half or something like that. But the number one question, like I say, that people have, or their biggest problem, is how to get traffic to their website. So I made a marketing resources page at my blog. That I put together some legit traffic sources that I think that'll help people. My blog's still under construction. I have a lot of distractions and stuff. I have a lot of other stuff I do on the side of this, but this marketing resources page I put together, to help a lot of people who have problem with traffic. All these places are legit places with a lot of high quality feedback from a lot of other people that's doing internet marketing or what have you. This thing gets loaded, and whenever I get a chance, I even got more sources, but I haven't had a chance to put them on there yet. And I will always frequently update this page as time goes by. So you most definitely want to go to my blog and click on the marketing resources tab. I got a lot of other stuff. I got a profit from leverage page which teach you about how to profit out other people's, marketing efforts or whatnot. I got online programs, 2 more online programs. It's actually nothing on this page right now. Like I say, it's still under construction. Mail order programs page. I got a lot of stuff over there. I might add some more stuff over there. I got my residual income. That page is coming along pretty good. I got survey sites, and as you can see right here, I might add a couple more pages of other stuff that I think, whether it's motivational, whether it's, I don't know, it just depends on, as life continues to go on, what I might add on this second bar. But yeah, my marketing resources page, I'm telling you guys, it's some good traffic sources over here. That's the real deal. It's no bot traffic. It's all good traffic that I recommend. And like I say, as time goes on and when I can get a chance to fit it in, I will be updating that page. I will be adding more marketing resources, but that's the biggest problem I see is how to get traffic to your website. But yeah, this blog pretty interesting. Y'all get over there and check it out. It's no use of making this video just super extra long. I'm gonna have other stuff coming as time goes by. I've been doing all of this marketing online for 11 years, about to be 12 years next year. So with that being said, like I say, stay on the lookout for other stuff by subscribing to my channel and click that notification bell, and y'all have a wonderful day. Peace.